Hello, everybody, it's Terry. Welcome, all of you. This is just going to be a little orchid diary and kind of showing off a very special Phalaenopsis first time bloom for me that I did not even know was about to bloom. I'm continuing to repot these Phalaenopsis and move them around to get optimal light. And they all seem to be doing fairly well. I love my Phalaenopsis Raymond Burr back there. There's the tag. And I know you saw my epidendrum over there, criniferum next to it. But I have this Phalaenopsis tree. I'm not sure if I've ever showed it before, probably. But lots of these Phalaenopsis are in spike with buds. And you can see some of the ones that were sunburned as well that are recovering. And this is my very healthy mocktail yew that I love. And down here is a man-eye. I think that's what that said. Phalaenopsis man-eye species. And then over here I have some corner cervi assortments. And then here is that beautiful little Sogo cross with man-eye. This is another corner cervi down there. And then here, of course, is one with the spikes that is mounted. But so far, so good. I'm really liking this little Phalaenopsis tree. It really provides very good access for watering. They're free draining rather than sitting on a table, sitting in the water. And of course, they're getting better light. And you can tell by the color of the leaves as they are light green. If they were darker, that would mean that they are not getting enough light. And still looking around before I show off that flower, just to show the progression and just how I've switched things around. That is another man-eye. And that is a spike. And I am just going to go ahead and show this. Again, this is Richard Mueller crossed, or it's Nodosa crossed with Trick or Treat. That's what it is. Taishin, Flight Eagle cross. Nice couple spikes. So, let's go over here where there are more. And here is this beautiful Phalaenopsis right here that I got a while back because I could not find another Yang Yang blueberry, unfortunately. So I got this Yang Yang blue something panda. And it's so amazingly fragrant. So amazingly fragrant. Pardon myself. And beautiful. And this as well is beautiful yellow mane show. And my corner cervi Chatellade looking very well. But this baby panda, baby blue panda maybe, is so amazing. And my Bellina cerulea just opened. That's it right there. Nice form. And I've got a couple more buds back there. everything looking so healthy in that color of lime green, which is perfect for Phalaenopsis. But anyway, folks, this is the star of the show, and the fragrance is exquisite. And my Corning Ambo, which just finished blooming earlier, is giving me some more flowers. It's got 3 buds there. Thanks for watching, folks. And enjoy your orchids. Bye.